When it comes to choosing the best CRM that integrates with Google Workspace, the choice between Salesflare and Copper is something many businesses are asking. So, which one truly integrates best with Google Workspace, and which CRM will make your life easier? Let's dive into it. Salesflare is designed for small to medium-sized businesses, and it does a great job of automating your sales processes. The big sell here is its seamless integration with Google Workspace. You get deep syncing with Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Contacts, which is great if you already use these tools. Your emails are automatically logged in Salesflare, and you can set reminders directly from your Google Calendar, keeping everything in one place without a ton of manual work. But, and this is important, if you're someone who needs a lot of customization in your CRM, Salesflare might feel a bit limited. The customization options are decent, but they don't quite match what you'll get from Copper. Next thing to consider is Copper itself. Copper is tightly integrated with Google Workspace, which should be no surprise since it was originally built by former Google executives. This CRM offers a much more seamless experience for Google Workspace users, where the integrations feel almost native. From managing emails in Gmail to syncing tasks with Google Docs and even tracking email threads in real time, Copper's ability to connect with Google's suite of tools is incredibly smooth. The downside, however, is that this deep integration comes at a cost. Copper tends to be on the expensive side, especially if you want access to its advanced features. But if your company is already using Google Workspace heavily and needs more advanced functionality, Copper might justify the price. The fourth thing to consider is user experience. Salesflare is built with simplicity in mind, so if you want something straightforward without a steep learning curve, it could be the better option. The interface is easy to navigate, and everything is automated to the point where you don't need to spend too much time setting things up. Copper, on the other hand, offers a more complex setup. The learning curve is steeper, but that's because of its broader functionality and advanced tools, which can be beneficial if you need something more robust. Let's talk about data handling now. Salesflare takes the crown in terms of automating data entry, which makes it a time saver if you're dealing with a high volume of prospects. It also uses AI to automatically populate your CRM with data from emails, meetings, and contacts, minimizing the need for manual input. Copper also offers automation, but its data entry is not as intuitive as Salesflare's. That said, Copper offers more in-depth reporting and analytics, which might be more beneficial for larger teams that need more granular insights into their sales pipeline. The last thing I'll point out is pricing. Salesflare is typically more affordable for smaller teams, especially if you're on a budget, but still want strong integration with Google Workspace. Copper, though, offers more features and deeper integrations, but comes at a higher cost. So, if you're running a small business, Salesflare might be more reasonable, while Copper is ideal if you need more customization and advanced features at a higher price point. To wrap up, both Salesflare and Copper are solid CRM options with strong integrations with Google Workspace, but they cater to different needs. If you're looking for something simple and cost-effective for small to medium-sized businesses, Salesflare is a great choice. However, if you need a more sophisticated CRM with deeper functionality and you're willing to invest, Copper stands out. That said, after trying both, if you're looking for a CRM that integrates with Google Workspace but offers even better value and functionality, I'd recommend trying out the free trial of the CRM linked in the description below. You'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers, so don't miss out on that opportunity to level up your sales process.